Hello students. Now today we are going to start chapter number 2, polynomial. Now before definition of polynomial, we see meanings of some terms and then we define polynomial. Out of that, the first one is variable, a symbol which can be assigned different numerical value is known as a variable. Variables are generally denoted by x, y, z, p, q, r, s, etc. Constant, a symbol having a fixed value is called a constant. For example, 8, 5, 9, pi, a, b, c, etc. are constants. Algebraic expression, a combination of constant and variables connected by some or all the basic operations, plus, minus, multiplication, division, is called an algebraic expression. For example, 7 plus 8x minus 6x square y minus 4 upon 9xy is an algebraic expression. Now we see terms. Various parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus operations are called terms. Examples. First one. In the above algebraic expression, terms are 7, 8x minus 6x square y and 4 upon 9xy. Second, various terms of 3p raised to 4 minus 6q raised to 2 power plus 8r raised to 3s minus 2pq plus 6s cube. Their terms are 3p raised to 4 minus 6q square, 8r raised to 3s minus 2pq and 6s cube. This way we define terms. Polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. So an algebraic expression in which variables involved have, whichever variables are there, they all have non-negative integral power, then it is called polynomial. For example, first one, x raised to 3 power plus x square minus 4x minus 7. Here we see that all powers 3, 2, 1 and 0, they are non-negative, so it is a polynomial. Second one, 3p cube plus 5p minus 9. Here also you can see that p raised to 3 power, p raised to 1 power and here p raised to 0 power. So all powers are non-negative integral. Therefore, this is a polynomial. Third one, x square plus 2x. Here also 2 and 1 are the powers and so these all are called polynomials. Here you have to remember one thing. The first one, each variable in the polynomial has a whole number as its exponent. So power is always whole number and each term of polynomial has coefficient. So now degree of a polynomial. First one, in case of polynomial involving in one variable, if there is only one variable in a polynomial, in that case the highest power of the variable is called degree of the polynomial. Here we see one example in which there is only one variable x. All term if you see, then x is the only one variable. Then we see that the highest power. So here is the power is 1, here the power is 3, and here the power is 5. So 5 is called the degree of the polynomial. Now in case of a polynomial involving in more than one variable, if more than one variable is to be present in a polynomial, in that case the highest sum of exponent of variables in any term is called the degree of the polynomial. So in that case, which term having the highest sum of exponent, that we find out. So here in the example, degree of p raised to 2 minus 6 p raised to 6 cube plus 5 p square q cube minus 3 q raised to 4. Now we see all the terms. This term having 4 power, this term having 2 variable p and q, their sum we check, then 2 plus 3 is 5. Here minus 6 p raised to 6 and q, 2 variables are there. So their sum if we see, then 6 plus 1, so 7, and this one is p raised to 2 only. So the highest sum of the any term of that is 7, and so the polynomial degree 7. Now types of polynomial. Now here you can see that the types on the basis of number of its terms. So types of polynomial in that there are two ways it is to be explained. First one, on the basis of the number of its term. First, monomial. A polynomial containing only one non-zero term is called monomial. If in a polynomial only one term is present, then it is called monomial. In Greek, mono means single, one. Now binomial. A polynomial containing two non-zero term is called a binomial. So if there are two terms in a polynomial, it is called a binomial. And third one, trinomial. A polynomial containing three non-zero term is called a trinomial. Now we see on the basis of its degree. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. And biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. So this way here types of polynomials are defined.
Hello students, today we are going to learn exercise 2.1 of chapter polynomial. Here the first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. First question is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now we have to answer whether this expression is a polynomial or not. So we see the answer one by one. For that, first one, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now see, there is only one variable x with whole number power. So this polynomial in one variable. We have to check the power of the variable. Variable is x here. X raised to 2 power, x raised to 1 power, and here x raised to 0 power. So all the powers are non-negative integers, means whole number, and therefore this one is a polynomial. Second one is y square plus root 2. Now once again we have to check that what are the powers of variable. Here the variable is y. So here y raised to 2 power is there. Here y raised to 0 power is there. So the powers are once again whole number, and so this one is also a polynomial. We see the next one, which is 3 root 2 plus t root 2. Now in this one,